Carl Grimes' persuasive technique in The Walking Dead, and its real-world applications. In The Walking Dead, Carl Grimes' letter to Rick is a masterclass in emotional persuasion. Rather than directly telling Rick to stop the cycle of violence, Carl first reminds his father of their shared experiences, reinforcing their bond and Rick's identity as a loving father. This technique, leading with emotion before presenting a request, can be highly effective in real-world situations, such as education, family life, friendships, and the workplace. Breaking down. Carl's persuasive technique, emotional priming. Through nostalgia, Carl begins his letter by recalling fond memories like Friday night pizza and stories Rick told him about their past. This emotional appeal, pathos, softens Rick's mindset before he reaches Carl's actual request. Reinforcing identity and positive association by reminding Rick of his role as a father and protector, Carl strengthens the idea that Rick is capable of being more than just a warrior. This makes Rick more open to change. Guiding to the conclusion. Instead of demanding change, Carl does not outright command Rick to stop the violence. Instead, he leads him emotionally and logically to that conclusion, allowing Rick to feel that the choice is his own, appealing to hope. Instead of guilt, rather than making Rick feel ashamed for his actions, Carl paints a hopeful vision of a better future. This motivates change through inspiration rather than pressure, applying Carl's technique in real life. In education, teachers and students. Instead of commanding students to study harder, a teacher could remind them of their past successes and how it felt to accomplish something meaningful. Students persuading teachers to extend deadlines or reconsider grades can first acknowledge the teacher's hard work before presenting their request. In family life, parents guiding their children can use this technique by reminding them of past moments when they made good choices, reinforcing their identity as responsible individuals. Children persuading parents can start by expressing appreciation for their support before asking for something, making parents more receptive. In friendships, when resolving conflicts rather than accusing a friend, one can recall positive shared experiences, reinforcing the value of the friendship before addressing an issue. Encouraging a friend to make better choices can start with highlighting their strengths and past good decisions rather than pointing out their mistakes. In the workplace, a manager persuading employees to adopt a new process can first remind them of past successful changes before presenting the new idea. Employees asking for a raise or promotion can start by acknowledging their company's success and their contributions before making their case. Conclusion. Carl's letter to Rick in The Walking Dead is a powerful example of persuasion through emotion, identity reinforcement, and hope. By leading with personal connection and guiding the listener toward a conclusion rather than demanding change, this technique can be applied effectively in education, family, friendships, and the workplace. Learning to persuade this way can lead to more positive, lasting influence in various aspects of life.